Hey guys, Ritzel here. In this video, I'm gonna check my electric bike battery because in full charge, I can only drive for like seconds and it shuts off. Okay, so I begin with testing the XT connector if I can get power from here. Yeah, I get 41.4 volts. So just by checking the voltage from the charging wire side, based on my experience, if you're not getting power, 75% it is the BMS that's causing the problem. Either you have a blown MOSFET or the fuses in the BMS circuit board. So just like this one here, I'm not getting power from the charging wire side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this battery pack and see what's going on. And also I wanna know what kind of BMS is in here. Supposed to be whatever output you have on the XT connector side, you should have also on the charging wire side. But in this case, there's no voltage coming out from the charging wire side. So right now I'm gonna start checking the seals one by one and see if some of them are busted. But if all the seals are healthy, I mean when they are all good, so I can confirm that the BMS is the problem. So with testing and everything, I'm so happy with this because all the seals are healthy. I mean, each one of them have 4.1 volts, which is good. So now I'm sure that the BMS is the problem, which is easy and cheap to repair.